Hey, Kyle from O'Reilly Auto Parts here today with Jason and the team at Legendary Automotive and Truck Service, talking about the 2018 Wheels for Prosper giveaway. So at O'Reilly Auto Parts, we were able to contribute a lot of key things to get this vehicle back on the road safely, from major undercar suspension components to safety items such as headlights and taillights. Being involved in the 2018 Wheels for Prosper here with the team at Legendary Automotive and Truck Service, it means a lot to us. That's what O'Reilly does in the community, so to be a part of this and to join up with this great team here and give away, the 2006 Subaru Forester, it really means a lot to us.
Hi, I'm Steve with O'Reilly Auto Parts. We are happy to partner with Legendary Auto and Truck Service for this year's 2018 Wheels for Prosper. We have been able to donate several items to make this car both roadworthy and safe for the lucky recipient. And we would like to become your #1 auto parts supplier. Go O'Reillys.
If you would like to get involved with the Wheels to Prosper car giveaway and Legendary Automotive, give us a call or check us out on the web, www.legendaryfl.com.